Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Beaches Negril Resort and Spa. Now this particular category is a Tropical Beachfront Concierge. Follow along as I tour the room. Just past the entryway, you'll see a small writing desk right here to my left, and then we'll head into the bathroom area. So you've got your full-size vanity right here. You've got quite a bit of room to spread out. I do love they have a little step stool down there for the kiddos to use. You've got your scale and hair dryer. You're also going to have the full-size bath amenities from the Red Lane Spa here on site. If you want to see that or any other spot on this beautiful resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour. We also have the other room and suite categories for you to see as well. Now right there, you're going to have your backlit magnifying mirror, and directly across, you're going to find your closet. You've got extra pillows, towels, blankets. They're also going to have an iron and ironing board, a laptop size safe, and also you're going to have those comfy robes. First of the concierge level amenities we're going to point out. I love that they even have the little ones for the kiddos. Just through the door here, you're going to find your toilet around the corner, and they have a bath shower combo, always a great advantage when traveling with little ones. As we head into the bedroom, I wanted to point out that there is a connecting door there, so you can also book this as a quite a bit larger 2-bedroom option. Now in the bedroom space, you've got 2 double beds here. Now keep in mind, this does come in a king variety as well. Now in the king variety, you're gonna have a trundle bed, but in this particular one, you're gonna have this nice love seat in the corner that's also gonna pull out into a sleeper. Now set right in the middle of the 2 beds, you're gonna have your Bluetooth speaker and phone, and right on the lamp, you also have a USB charger. They have a fan up above. I love that they have that in all of the sleeping areas. Right across from the bed, you're gonna have your large flat panel TV. Of course, it is interactive, so you can watch television in addition to seeing what's going on throughout the resort. You've got a small butler's pantry tucked over here in the corner, coffee maker and tea kettle. They're gonna replenish that coffee and tea daily for you. And down below, you're also gonna have a fully stocked mini bar that's gonna have water, soda, and juices. Now in the concierge level room, you can also have full-size liquor bottles. You'll just talk to them about that when you check in, and they'll stock that upon your arrival. Now you're also gonna have a microwave. I think it's a fantastic touch. I know when we were traveling with my daughter, especially when she was really little, it made a huge difference. Now we're out on the veranda. Out here, you're gonna find a table and 2 chairs. Perfect place for a cup of coffee in the morning or maybe a cocktail in the evening. You've got your drying rack over here in the corner so you can put your suits there to dry when you come up from that beautiful beach or the pool. Now keep in mind that this is a beachfront category. They're set all throughout the resorts. They all face directly out to the beach, but you might have some palm trees or parts of the water park in the way as well. Now if you want to book this beautiful category or any at Beaches or Sandals Resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Beaches and Sandals, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, group, or wedding party at an incredible value.